Hello, I'm Captain Raymond with the UNC-Cary Orthopaedics Physical Therapy. In today's education series, we'll be discussing the benefits of the new AlterG Anti-Gravity Treadmill. AlterG has been a game changer in physical therapy and rehabilitation overall. The AlterG treadmill was designed using NASA's patented Differential Air Pressure technology. The system allows for pressurized air chamber to reduce the gravitational load and body weight in precise 1% increments. It can reduce an individual's body weight by up to 80%. This technology enables patients and athletes to move in an unrestricted and, most importantly, pain-free environment in an effort to restore strength, motion, balance, and proper mechanics in gait. This treadmill allows for progressive loading of the joints to protect healing tissues, normalize gait mechanics, and get real-time gait analytics, along with visual biofeedback through a built-in camera. This device is not just geared for runners. Its fall-proof design allows for patients of all ages the ability to take advantage of its capabilities. Any injury or any surgery involving the ankle, knee, hip, and low back can benefit from its use. It can also help aid for balance recovery as well. Research indicates that nearly half of all recreational runners will sustain an injury at some point. Let Cary Orthopaedics and the use of the AlterG provide an opportunity to use cutting-edge technology and expert guidance to get you back to where you want to be.